Adoma, welcome back to my channel, guys. Before I start working on the Ford, please help me subscribe to my channel. Click that bell notification so every time I have a new video, you guys will be updated. But I'm working on a 2022 Ford F350. This one's a 6.2 liter. This one's just doing the oil change maintenance. I'm gonna get the filter first. I already loosened it with the plier. Ooh, it's dirty. The oil filter housing, just wipe the spot and put a little bit of oil on the filter gasket here, and then just put it up. Come on, stop it. There you go. Just hand tighten. That's good enough. Wipe it again. Now I'm gonna drain out the oil. A drain bolt, it's a 16 millimeter. Come on. There you go. Everything is completely drained out. I'm gonna tighten it. So you're gonna suck it down to where it gets tight. So this is tight. I'm just gonna snug it a little bit more. And that's it. And then just wipe the spot. Refill your oil. Now for the oil, this one takes 530. I'm gonna put in 530 synthetic. This one's a 6.2, so it takes about 8.5. I'm gonna put in 8, and I'm gonna check the dipstick. So I put in 8 quarts already, and I started the car. Let me check the dipstick. Right on the high mark. That's perfect. Right there. Right on the high mark, if you guys can see it right there. That's a little bit slightly higher than the mark in here, but it's right at the dot. So this one takes 8 quarts exact. So this is perfect. The oil life reset, I'm gonna have key on. This one's a 2022. It's slightly different than the older model. So using these button right here, you're gonna toggle through the menu. So you're gonna go down to driver assist. You're gonna scroll down to maintenance monitor right there. Press OK, press and hold OK to reset. Press and hold it. There you go. Let go. Turn off the car. Turn it back on. There you go. That's how you get to the oil life reset. Go to menu, driver assist, maintenance monitor, hold it to reset. That's it. So this one's just an oil change for the F350. If you guys new to my channel, please help me subscribe. If you guys have any question down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible, but I'll see you on the next video. Doma, I'm out. Peace.